Today, we are going to give you some cool insights into how R&D creates and tests new products. We're going to simulate the usage of Dualsenses Color Revive products at home and show how Color Revive color-giving shampoos and conditioners can help your client refresh and revive their salon color at home. Let's ask Christine from R&D.
Thanks, Barbara. Hi. Let me show you how we test the effect of our Dualsenses Color Revive color-giving shampoos and conditioners with an experiment in the lab. We have prepared 5 hair swatches. Each swatch has been treated with a lightener and a color, in this case a red shade, in order to create a realistic base that represents freshly salon-colored hair. For our experiment, I'm going to use our shaking bath. It creates standardized conditions that allow us to simulate the hair washing process. The bath has been heated up to lukewarm water temperature. And now the swatches are going to be shaken in the solution, which will simulate the color fading that happens during hair washing at home. Here you can see how the hair color fades over time. And now I'm going to rinse and dry the faded swatches. Now let's take a look at the swatches after a little experiment. What you can see here is that the swatch, which was washed with the standard lab shampoo, is lighter and brassier in color compared to directly after coloring. So let's put a Dualsenses Color Revive shampoo and conditioner to the test. I have chosen the cool red shade. In this glass we have the diluted new Dualsenses Color Revive Cool Red shampoo. I'm going to simulate the usage of the shampoo with every wash. In this glass, we have the diluted Dualsenses Color Revive Cool Red conditioner. Here I am going to simulate usage of the conditioner once a week. So let's put the faded swatches in the shaking bath. They will stay in the bath for 5 minutes. The swatches shaking in the color-giving solution both have a revived color and look vivid and vibrant again. Here is the swatch I treated with the color-giving shampoo, and here is the one I treated with the color-giving conditioner. On the third swatch, you can see here, I alternated between the color-giving shampoo and the color-giving conditioner solution to show the combined usage of the products. The direct dyes in the Dualsenses Color Revive color-giving products compensate the previous fading and revive the color direction. Let's take an even closer look. This is our color measuring device. With this device, we're able to measure colors and differences between colors. Here you see the difference in color between the freshly color-treated swatch and the faded swatch, which was washed with standard lab shampoo. Now I am measuring the swatches, which were treated with the Dualsenses Color Revive color-giving product. Here you can see that both swatches are much closer to the original color obtained directly after coloring than the faded swatch. The results will of course depend on the initial shade and the hair structure of each customer. These were the results for the Color Revive Cool Red. We have also prepared swatches using the same method for the Color Revive shades Cool Blonde, Cool Brown and Copper. For all shades we can see that the faded hair color is revived or even intensified further, either with daily use of the Dualsenses color-giving shampoo or a weekly use of the color-giving conditioner. So, what do you think, Barbara?
This is a pretty amazing result. As you can see, the Color Revive color-giving shampoos and conditioners come in a range of shades that ideally complement Goldwell's color portfolio. By recommending the Dualsenses Color Revive color-giving range as a home care regime, you will help clients refresh and intensify their color in a way that best fits their hair needs and hair care routine. If you want to dive deeper into Color Revive or learn more about our other Dualsenses products, check out our other videos.